Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove lock screen password on Android. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, gotta find the settings app. Alright, tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to security. Okay, just gotta find security or lock screen and AOD. Okay, gonna want to tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have screen lock and biometrics. Tap on it. And then once done, it will need you to unlock your device, okay, or enter your current PIN. So just go ahead and do so. And then once it's unlocked, you have here PIN, okay. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on none, okay. Tap on none. As I see here, change to a non-secure lock screen. Well, you can now go ahead and tap on remove data. Okay, but do take note, when you tap on remove data right here, your fingerprints will be removed and you will have to do it again. Okay, just tap on it, and once done, the lock screen password will be disabled. And that is it. That's how easy it is to remove lock screen password on Android. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.